Welcome to this week's Roam, the Reborn Optimized Analysis moving forward. This week we have Advanced Plumbing and Drain.com. Now these guys are based out of, I want to say, New Jersey. Yep, New Jersey. First impressions, just because I've looked at so many websites, this looks like a templated website. So, usually it can be good or bad. The downsides of a templated website is less customization, and I even mean that on the front end and on the coding end. So there's a few things. The description of their website missing. Images are not, it's just WP content upload. There's no actual alternate attribute, which is tagging each image like, hey, this guy's plumber, handling whatever this is called. I'm not a plumber, so I don't know all their tools. But anyhow, first impressions. This website, Expert Drain Cleaning Services. Okay, so it looks like they do drains. They do have. This is pretty ugly. Look at this. This is like, see what I mean? Like the coding of the website is pretty barren, you can tell. Let's just look at a few things. Let's look at like plumber in New Jersey. Their website seems to be slow. They're number 73. Let's look at their website's insanely slow, and that's on mobile. Desktop is also slow. Yeah, so this website, I mean, you can tell what they do. They do have a video inspection. Let's click this. Look at the load time. I clicked it like 3, 4, 5, 6. What's going on? Okay. Yeah, this website's pretty slow. Did it already load? See the pages it hasn't loaded. Look at this. It's searching. It just does not even really load. Let's just jump over. I mean, not super impressed on their, the website's very basic. These are clickable at least. Again, this just looks really unprofessional. Like, I don't know why it's not centered at least. It's pretty ugly. But anyways, let's jump over to the keywords here. So keywords, position, let's go. Advanced plumbing, and that's the name. See the URL structure? So that's the name of their actual domain, their business. Not a bad strategy. You'll rank a lot easier, and that's really where all their traffic seems to be coming from, is that specific keyword. Plumbers, Woodland Park, NJ. Okay, they get no traffic, but there is, they're number 4. So what you want to do is you want to have a strategic approach to this. What you would do is, if these people came to us and said, hey, we want to rank better in our area, you would look at all the keywords, figure out, what's their domain authority. So it's 13 out of 100. So you'd want to give them a few backlinks every month. Start with like a 20 and a 30. You'd want to write some high quality blogs, so they're relevant. I didn't see a blog page. So these guys probably don't get a ton of business from their website. It's probably like they've been around forever, and it's more of a landing page, and that's kind of it. So overall, I would say, realistically, these guys are probably about a 4.5 to 5 out of 10. Their performance is about a 50-60%, so in that range. And then their site speed is just really bad, which is all part of user experience. So overall, these guys, could really use blog section, high quality blogging, niche oriented backlink building, and then local citations. So in their local area, when you type in plumbers near me, they pop up. So hope you guys enjoyed this week's Roam. Look forward to next week.